Good evening to you all. Like I said before, I'll be coming to you on a daily basis, if not occasionally. This is all about LISA 2025. LISA standing for Lovemore International Science Academy. Why are we here? We are here to assist children, adults, anybody who is like to know about mathematics, whether it's primary or secondary education, including higher education, of which I will be dealing with the following topics. There is a level 2, level 3, and level 4. And there are 5 topics. I will elaborate as follows. For level for topic 1, level 2, we have topic on numbers. How are numbers created? Where did they come from? Where did they originate from? What type of animals are they? We are going to elaborate and say more about the numbers at this level, including the set of numbers, how it started, all of that. If a student or anybody passes that level 2, they will go to level 3, where the topic changes to complex numbers. As you shall see with the videos we are going to send, you can actually understand and find out how they can be calculated and how the angles and where they are used. There are a lot of information on that. Level 3 and level 4, the topic still remains the same, complex numbers. But at the level 4, which is the third year in this tertiary education, we'll talk more about it when we go into details. Then the second topic, with the levels respectively, we'll be dealing with function and algebra for the 3 levels. Why do we use algebra? What is algebra? What are functions? Algebra will just briefly define it, the use of alphabet from the use of letters from the alphabet to represent numbers. We use algebra in our daily lives, be it in intra-mathematics or extra-mathematics situations. So at level 2, it is a little bit challenging because students have got tendency of not understanding the language. So you need to actually understand the concept. Extra mathematics problem is the story where you can use letters from the alphabet to represent number, then solve it as we go on. So the level 2, level 3, and level 4, all we are going to do, as you shall see in the series of videos we are going to deal with, the complexity of those objectives will be defined as we move up the ladder. Then the third topic with the levels henceforth, we'll be dealing with space, shapes, and orientation. In some texts they use measurements. That is when we are going to study with children and everyone who like to be a mathematician. When we are talking of the Cartesian plan, where we are working on space, orientation, and shapes. You can make any shape on the floor, like on the floor here. That's the Cartesian plan. Then as long as that shape moves upwards, come to have a space where X and Y and Z are performed, where we could have different shapes. They tend to be objects. like a cylinder, a prism, which means you can have volume on that particular shapes. That being said, measurements. What do we have as a measurement of the Cartesian plan? You can find the area, you can find perimeter. All this we can find it actually in everyday life where we live. You want the area of your stand where you want to build your house, and measurement. You want to find a building where we can have a measurement and scale. All those things we shall be visiting them as we progress. So at this level, shape, space, and orientation is going to be having different aspects and different objectives at different levels. Then the fourth topic will be data handling, statistics. We'll be traveling interestingly from level 2 where we are gathering raw data, grouping it, analyzing it, and all those sort of things. From discrete data, which is actually a real thing, to a continuous data whereby we talk of edge. Discrete data, discrete data, meaning we are talking of anything which looks like, for example, a person. It's discrete data, how many people? But if you are talking of continuous data, we're talking edge, weight, and so many volumes. So we'll find out how we'll do it at different levels. As you shall see with different videos on those particular objectives. Last but not least on that, we'll be looking at financial mathematics. This is going to be very interesting because we're going to talk about how interest rate is done in so many things. Depreciation and also. So these are the main 5 topics I'll be dealing with specifically. Notwithstanding that, I am not saying bring in other questions. You can bring in other topic because like I said in our introduction, Lisa is really capable and is ready to assist the international community. We are talking of internationalism in mathematics, which is the mother language of all subjects. As you shall see on the log, we are talking of mathematics as the best. Without mathematics, I would say maybe no subject would exist. So for our children to understand what is going to happen in their career, they should be having a base of mathematics. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This is the epilogue I'm giving you so that you follow me and my colleagues as we distribute our information. Thank you so much.